While we expected a Pro version of the PlayStation 5 to hit the market pretty soon, it turns out that we'll be getting a PS5 Slim instead. That's right, PS5 Slim is already in development and is expected to launch sooner than we expected. Naturally, it'll be less expensive than the digital edition of the console and will have a slimmer appearance than the more prominent and bolder model of the PS5. With that being said, when can we expect the console to hit the shelves? And what can you expect from it? Let's find out. But before that, a word from our today's sponsor, 10 Studio.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Recently, intriguing rumors have emerged stemming from an unexpected source. Microsoft's legal document released amidst a legal battle with the Federal Trade Commission. According to this document, Sony is anticipated to unveil the Pro and Slim models of the highly anticipated PS5 in the near future. First and foremost, it's essential to approach these rumors with a grain of salt. Legal documentation and litigation proceedings rarely serve as the most reliable sources for product information, especially when it involves a competitor's plans. Nonetheless, the mere existence of such rumors has stirred up the gaming community and sparked widespread speculation. If these rumors hold true, Sony's alleged plans to release the Pro and Slim models of the PS5 would align with the company's past console iterations. The PlayStation 4 saw similar variations introduced later in the life cycle, catering to different segments of the gaming market. The introduction of a Pro model would likely cater to enthusiasts seeking enhanced performance and advanced features, while a Slim model would likely target budget-conscious gamers looking for a more affordable option. Despite the absence of leaked footage or official images, some renders such as the one generated by Viatco have provided an intriguing glimpse into what the console's design might entail. According to these renders, the PS5 Slim takes a minimalistic approach, aiming for a slim form factor while maintaining a futuristic and rounded aesthetic. Notably, it appears that the console will forego a Blu-ray reader to further emphasize its sleek design. The render suggests that the PS5 Slim resembles a futuristic router, which gives it a unique and distinct appearance. The absence of a Blu-ray reader contributes to the console's slim profile, emphasizing Sony's commitment to a compact design. While the PS5 Slim aims to have a smaller form factor than the standard PS5, it's reassuring to learn that it will include a beefy heatsink. This is a crucial consideration as a smaller size often poses challenges in terms of heat dissipation. A robust heatsink indicates that Sony is prioritizing efficient cooling to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the console. Another interesting addition mentioned in the rumors is the inclusion of a magnetic shell stand. This feature suggests that the PS5 Slim will have a unique way of securing and displaying the console. A magnetic attachment could provide a convenient and stable solution, allowing users to easily set up and showcase their console while maintaining a clean and clutter-free look. As for the specs, it's expected to remain the same as the original PlayStation 5, but with a minor cut here and there. According to Tom's Guide, Sony might cut down some USB ports on the PS5 Slim to reduce the cost. They have also added that the storage option might go above 1 TB, which kinda makes sense as there won't be any way to play through a physical disc. The major difference between the PS5 and PS5 Slim is the design changes and price. The specs remain similar, so you can expect more or less a similar level of performance. On top of that, the base PS5 comes with 825GB of storage, and there is a dedicated slot for SSD that you can upgrade to up to 2 TB. And according to the leaks, PS5 Slim will come with 1 TB of SSD, which honestly won't be that big of a difference. Given its digital variant, we expected it to have a much higher storage capacity as you're gonna need it to install and store games. And given how modern games are getting storage demanding, you might end up spending more on storage later on, which will significantly increase the cost. Tom's Guide says that Microsoft predicts the PS5 Slim to be priced at around $400, which is similar to the digital edition of the PS5, which might turn out to be true given both of them exclude a disk drive. And as for the release date, there is currently no official word regarding it. However, the rumors point out that we might get to see them at the end of this year. So that was all about the upcoming PS5 Slim. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.